start making money.
Mm-hmm.
The same with the TJH, he said like 2 weeks. Like that's too long to even get taken out to wait. I can't wait that long. I don't keep it.
Already lots of
Probably samples and stuff.
drug tests. Yeah.
Money. Drug money.
Oh my God, it's so
I guess so. How does it look down there?
I can't believe I did that. I was just doing a million things at a time.
I know.
And then Arden, you do one thing and you finish it. And pointing at me. And I said, well, if I didn't have to do everything myself, it wouldn't be so bad.
That's right. You can't even get better.
I said, Wayne, look at you got something.
Oh shit. Last name's Dick, eh?
Yeah. No, Tanner.
Tanner. Okay. They said what's his name getting really bad. Dementia. Violet.
I still see her in the bars, but usually she'll say, "Hi, let's just go down." I don't see it. Like she hasn't said. This is the only one I had in here recording, but you did that. Pink lip. I had a voice on the kid apartment.
Andy?
Did they then? Yesterday?
Andy?
What?
I'm just filming the storm. But I need to stand outside to see
Well,
better.
go stand outside for a while. Just come running back inside. You see your dad.
Okay.
Yeah, I went to go put late Freddy's.
Let me just. Oh, wow. Just gonna stand here so I can see the storm better. The sun's coming out. Okay, at least everything. Wow, it's pretty dark over there. Nothing seen like that before. My dad will be out in a minute. This is always a storm every day.